Section 4.A.5 Adultery of female slaves. Well, any slave really. Zana al-ama وَمَنْ لَمْ يَسْتَطِعْ مِنْكُمْ طَوْلًا أَنْ يَنكِحَ الْمُحْصَنَاتِ الْمُؤْمِنَاتِ فَمِمَّا مَلَكَتْ أَيْمَانُكُمْ مِنْ فَتِيَاتِكُمُ الْمُؤْمِنَاتِ وَاللَّهُ أعلم بإيمانكم بعضكم من بعض فانكحوهن بإذن أهلهن وآتوهن أجورهن بالمعروف محصنات غير مسافحات ولا متخذات أخدان فإذا أحسن فإن أتينا بفاحشة فعليهن نصف ما على المحصنات من العذاب ذلك لمن خشي العنة منكم وأن تصبروا خير لكم والله غفور رحيم. Surah 4:25. Whosoever of you has not the means to marry, honest believers shall make his choice out of the young believing slaves that you own. Okay, so free people would be the more literal way to translate it. But you're still not forcing the slaves into marriage. They still have a choice. God knows best about your faith. You profess the same religion, then marry them with the permission of their masters. Endow them in reason, like honest women, and not like unchaste women or women who have paramours. If they are married and commit adultery, then half the penalty will be incurred by freeborn women, will be applicable to them. You can't half stone someone to death, right? This marriage befits whomsoever you fears fornication, but that you should have patience is better for you. God is clement and merciful.